To prepare this ABC juice, I have used 2 apples, half a beetroot, 2 carrots, 4 to 5 mint leaves and 1 inch of ginger. Now add all of this into a blender and add 1.5 glasses of water into it, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now blend all of this. Then strain the juice and make sure to save the pulp for later. You can use the pulp for making chapatis, pooris, parathas. I have used it to make murukkus. The ABC in the name stands for apple, beetroot and carrot. This juice is also called a miracle drink because of its numerous benefits. Now into the same blender, add half a glass of water and blend it or shake it well and pour it through the strainer. Now keep the pulp aside and add a tablespoon of lemon juice and mix it well. To enhance the taste, you can add honey or sugar, but if you want your drink to be healthier, skip it. Your healthy ABC drink is now ready to be served. To make the ABC murukkus, add a cup of rice flour to a mixing bowl, followed by 1/4 cup besan, a teaspoon of salt, sesame seeds and chilli powder. Add in few carom seeds too. Now mix these dry ingredients well. Then add in a tablespoon of butter to it and 1.5 tablespoons of hot oil. You can heat oil for deep frying these murukkus while you're preparing the dough, and you can use the oil from that. Now mix this nicely. Then add the ABC pulp. Mix well to combine and form a dough. Add the required amount of water to make the dough. Add water in small quantities and then knead. I have used around half a cup of water in total. Check the taste and if required, add more salt. Continue kneading and form a dough that is softer than the chapati dough. It should not be too firm or too loose. The dough should be non-sticky, but at the same time it should not be crumbly or dry. Next, cut the dough in 2 parts or 4 halves. Grease your hands with some oil. Then roll each portion into a cylindrical shape. I have made 4 cylinders out of the dough. Check if the oil is ready by dropping in a small piece of dough into the oil. If it floats on top, your oil is well heated and ready. Grease the murukku mold and fit in one portion of the dough inside. Make sure to use a plate with a star-shaped hole. Press the murukku maker onto the hot oil and move in rounds and make sure not to overcrowd it. Fry it and flip it once or twice. Once the sizzling of the oil stops, remove the murukku and drain the excess oil and transfer to a plate. Your yummy and crispy ABC murukku is now ready to be served. Break it into smaller pieces and enjoy.